Hi everyone, in this video I am going to solve a Math Olympiad problem which was appeared in British Math Olympiad in 2009. This question states that find the integer solution of this equation square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of 2009, or square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of the prime factor of 2009 is 7 square times 41, or square root of a plus square root of b is equal to this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 7 and square root of 41. Or if we divided both side by square root of 41, we can write square root of a over square root of 41 plus square root of b over square root of 41 plus is equal to 7 square root of 41 over square root of 41. Or square root of a over square root of 41 can be written as square root of a over 41 plus similarly this can be written as square root of b over 41 is equal to square root of 41 and square root of 41 will be cancelled out, so it will remain 7. As right side is integer, so left side will also be integer for integer solution. Now for integer a over 41 will be a perfect square, and similarly b over 41 will also be a perfect square as there is a square root. Let's consider a over 41 is x square, so a over 41 is equal to x square, and consider b over 41 is equal to y square. So we can write a is equal to 41 x square and b is equal to 41 y square. Now substituting a over 41 is equal to x square and b over 41 is equal to y square in this equation, we can write a square root of x square plus a square root of y square is equal to 7. So this square root and a square will cancel out, so it will remain x plus similarly this will be y is equal to 7. Here x and y is positive integer. Now x plus y is equal to 7 can be in this case x and y. When x is equal to 0, then y will be 7, and when x is equal to 1, y is 6. When x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 5, as 2 plus 5 is 7. When x is equal to 3, y will be 4. For x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3, and for x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. For x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1, and finally for x is equal to 7, y is equal to 0. Now for x is equal to 0, the value of a will be, as a is equal to 41 x square, so the value of a will be 0, and for y is equal to 7, the value of b, as b is equal to 41 y square, so 7 square times 41 is 2009, and when x is equal to 1, a will be 41 and when y is equal to 6, then the value of b will be 1476, and when x is equal to 2, the value of y will be 164, and when y is equal to 5, the value of b is equal to 1025, and when x is equal to 3, then a will be 369. For y is equal to 4, the value of b will be 656, and for x is equal to 4, the value of a will be 656, and for y is equal to 3, the value of b will be 369, and when x is equal to 5, then the value of a will be 1025, and for y is equal to 2, the value of b will be 164, and when x is equal to 6, the value of a will be 1476, and for y is equal to 1, the value of b will be 41, and when x is equal to 7, the value of a will be 2009, and when y is equal to 0, the value of b will be 0. So these are the 8 sets of integer solution of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.